Today I am going to show you how to get our gauge count for our work. And when we are doing knitting pattern, we need very important, we need to get gauge count, because we are doing knitting with different knitting needles. Today I did this stitch from 4.4 millimeter needle, and I need to get, before I start my work, I need to do my gauge counter, and I want to do I'm going to do with 4 inches. I'm start here to get a gauge counter. I'm starting with that point, and I'm measure 4 inches, or you can do with the centimeter side as well. I am going to do stick with my inch place and my 4 inch here, and I put another stitch marker here, and I am going to do, and I'm counting my, can you see this V's? This is the one stitch, and I'm counting with these stitches how many stitches for my 4 inch gap. And here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 stitches. I have 20 stitches for 4 inch. I wrote down that measurement, 4 inch. I have 20 stitches. Very important, I am write down these stitches. And now I need to do it, how many rows I do I need for, and I am putting my, in middle of somewhere else, I put my stitch marker here, and this is my stitch marker. I put after 4 inch. After 4 inch I'm starting with this point, is this stitch, here, and my stitch marker is going up to here. Okay, here I'm starting here, and I'm going, I'm going to count my stitches. This V, up V is my one stitch, and I'm counting them now. 1 2 3 4, sorry, I miss my count. I count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 stitches for 4 inches. This is the, now I have my stitch count 4, and for 1 inch I need to find 1 inch, not 4 inch. 4 inch I have 20 stitches. 1 inch, so 1 inch I have 20 divide 4, I have 5 stitches. 1 inch, when I am doing one row this horizontally, and I get 5 stitches for 1 inch. Where I need 6 or 10 inches, I need to find 50 stitches. How we count our stitches. And when I need to find my rows, when I'm doing 4 inches, I have 27 stitches. When I'm doing 1 inch in vertically, I need to find 1 inch. We need to divide by 4. I get 6 and 7, 5 stitches. Almost I can count. We are not doing 7 here because we need to find exactly stitches for our when I'm doing our work. And how we get the stitch count, it's very important, because it's when you're doing other size of the needle, your stitch count is different, and your tension and your yarn thickness and everything is depending on our stitch count. We need to find correct stitch count, otherwise we can't have our work very successfully. And first you start your work, you have to find your stitch count gauge. And my work gauge, and I have 1 inch for 1 inch I have 5 stitches, and 1 inch for 1 inch for vertically I need 6 and 7 5 rows. When I'm doing 2 inches, I need 13, nearly 13 rows.